piano hums a gentle chord. The guitar strums with tender flow. Leaves sway softly outside my sight. Shadows dancing in golden light. The breeze carries stories far and near, and every sound is calm and clear. I listen to the quiet songs of trees, the gentle hum of rustling leaves. The world outside is wide and deep, and in its calm my spirit breathes. Perhaps the earth speaks softly